Hi, my name is Traci Goudy and I'm the president and founder of Homecare by Design. I wanted to talk with you a little bit today about our home maintenance program. You may be familiar with our home care agency as well as our clubhouse where we host many parties and events. But in addition to that, we have a home maintenance program because over the years we realized that not only do seniors need help for themselves, but they also need help on their home. And so in order for you to be able to stay there for life and maintain the value of your beautiful beloved home, we have these home maintenance services. All of our handymen are senior friendly, they're bonded, they're insured, and they are well supervised. So you can ask us to do a variety of projects around your house. It may be safety bars, it may be wheelchair ramps, just a number of aging in place solutions to help you stay at home for life, in addition to yard care, gutter cleaning, and snow removal, and raking the leaves, just a number of things. You can call us for a free quote. We will come over, we will talk to you about what you're wanting to do on your project, and then give you a quote as to what we think that cost is going to be. So it's very, very simple, very straightforward. And then if you hire us to do that, then we'll set up some times and dates in which to complete that project. Now that project could take maybe one day, or it could take maybe a number of days, just depending on the scope of the project. There's this and a number of other things that we can do to help you maintain your beautiful home for life. If you're interested, you can call us at 765-464-8080, or you can stop by our clubhouse here in West Lafayette at 917 Sagamore Parkway, or you can send us a contact on our website below. So thank you for calling or stopping by, and we would really love to see you and answer all of your questions about how we can keep you at home for life.